Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know, say I'm not sure Kenny here again with another video. So today I go up on the road. So I do a look of vlog. I don't know when I get a video here, but yeah. Stay tuned. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel. And I have my mask, my sanitizer, and my bag for everybody who was saying, "Oh, should I wear a mask?" So I go look at taxi. Yeah. I reach, so I'm there Shepherd's Fair. And I just see my cousin and him come help me shop. And me a shop for practical guys, can you say your girl the food and she have to cook up the nice things them and all of them something them. So yeah, I'm gonna have to keep on my mask. So yeah. There a shop, you see me with food done, whole heap of something. Baking and everything. What's your purse nice sitting though, girl? Suppose them check my purse. Alright, so guys, I have to thank NY because I can't manage that. I don't know who might expect to manage that, but I can't do this. So, open out here. Where I look for the meat, where I go cook it, see me? I'm going to show you everything. So, maybe that vlog is not going to come out until Tuesday or so when I'm done the practical. So, yeah. What do you look for? Kidney. Lord. One pound we need, you know. So guys, this is the day of the practical, and as you can see, I'm sieving the flour, and you don't know say girl can cook, so I'm gonna show you the outcome.